Hello, my name's Toby Baring. I'm a consultant orthopaedic surgeon at OneWelbeck in central London.
Hi, my name's Pete Gillespie. I'm head of snow sports here at the Snow Centre in Hemel Hempstead, and I'm a level 4 ski instructor.
Today we're going to be talking about how to prepare yourself for your forthcoming ski holiday and try and minimise the chance of getting a nasty injury. So if we're talking about shoulder injuries, probably the most common ones we see at OneWelbeck are shoulder dislocations and tendon injuries. The tendons in the shoulder are known as the rotator cuff. Is there anything we can do to minimise injuries to the shoulder?
Yeah, of course. I think what we do as ski instructors is more about advice. So when people are learning with us, again at all levels, we try and teach them to fall properly if there's such a thing. So really the tendency I think would be to stretch the arms out. We ask people to fold the arms into their body and actually try and put their hip on the ground. So almost like a kind of hip dump. That way these bits are protected. Obviously when you're in a fall, things take over. And I think most commonly people panic. So if we can train that in an early stage, then we're going to have a better result, I think.
So you're almost trying to do a sort of somersault fall.
Yes, basically, yeah.
And land on the back, yeah.
The best part to fall on, obviously, is your butt.
And certainly, from the point of view of shoulder instability, shoulder dislocations, keeping the arms down by your side is much better. And the sort of group of patients who are most at risk are the people who've had previous shoulder dislocations. If we can keep their arms out from this position, which is probably this is the position we call the position of apprehension. This position, the shoulders are most unstable and tend to dislocate in that position. So that would certainly be a benefit. It's sort of quite difficult in the heat of the moment, isn't it, to remember how to fall? But I think that's really useful to sort of try and do that somersault pose or posture as you're coming down to hit the ground.
Absolutely, Toby. But I think, as you said there, if you can just draw the hands in a little bit close to the body and place the hip on the ground, that's going to prevent, hopefully, any major accidents. But when we're skiing and we fall, obviously we know that instinct takes over, so it does take a bit of training.
Yeah. And also, by not putting your hands out straight, you're also going to probably minimise the risk of injury to wrists and your elbows.
Yeah.